Did you know that the United States has revealed a hypersonic fighter capable of reaching speeds of Mach 10? Yes, you heard that right, Mach 10. But what does this really mean? How have they managed to such a technological feat? And most importantly, what implications does this have for the future of aviation and defense? Stay with us as we unravel the mystery behind this technological marvel, and we discover how a fighter can reach speeds that defy the limits of physics. Get ready for a mind-blowing journey through science, engineering, and military strategy. To understand the magnitude of this achievement, we must first understand what Mach 10 means. The speed of sound, known as Mach 1, is about 1,235 kilometers per hour. Multiply that by 10, and you're close to 13,000 miles per hour. That's almost 4 kilometers per second. Imagine traveling from New York to Los Angeles in less than 15 minutes. Amazing, right? But how did it get to this point? Let's start at the beginning. The race for air supremacy is not new. Since World War II, the nations. They have competed to develop faster and more advanced aircraft. The first jets revolutionized military aviation, but it wasn't until the Cold War that the real leap to speed hypersonic began. The X-plans of NASA and the United States Air Force were the pioneers in this race, with the legendary X-15 reaching speeds of Mach 6.7 in the year 60. However, reaching Mach 10 isn't simply a matter of adding more power to an engine. The technical challenges are immense. The friction of the air at these speeds generates temperatures that can destroy any known material. This is where the innovation in materials and design. So, how did engineers manage to overcome these obstacles? The answer lies in a combination of advanced technologies. First, the materials. Hypersonic fighters use advanced composite materials and high-temperature alloys that can withstand intense heat generated at speeds hypersonic. The use of ceramics reinforced with carbon fibers and refractory metals is crucial for the structural integrity of the aircraft. Second, the aerodynamic design. At hypersonic speeds, the design of the aircraft must be extremely efficient at minimizing drag and managing heat. Scientists have developed revolutionary shapes that allow the aircraft to move smoothly across of the atmosphere. Third, the engines. This is where the real magic happens. Scramjet engines, supersonic combustion ramjet, are the key. These engines have no moving parts and compress the air. The aircraft is used to inject fuel and turn on the mixture. This allows for impressive efficiency at extreme speeds. With these advances, the United States has developed the most advanced hypersonic fighter to date. The Phoenix. This name is very appropriate, as it symbolizes the rebirth of the American air supremacy. Not only is the Phoenix capable of reaching Mach 10, but it is also capable of... It is extremely maneuverable, allowing it to evade defenses and perform missions with an unprecedented precision. The Phoenix is more than just a fast plane. It is an advanced technology platform. Your navigation and flight control are equipped with artificial intelligence that helps pilots handle the complexities of flying at hypersonic speeds. In addition, it has sensors and advanced communication systems that allow you to operate in any condition, whether it's daytime or at night, in any weather, and on any terrain. But what does all this mean for the balance of power in the world? The ability to fly to Mach 10 is a game changer. Imagine a fighter that can cross oceans in minutes, reach any point on the globe in less than an hour, and perform critical missions before the enemy can react. Not only does this provide a tactical advantage, but it also provides a tactical advantage. It acts as a powerful deterrent. Remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any content of this type. Without further ado, we continue. The development of hypersonic fighters has implications beyond the military realm. The technology that powers the Phoenix could eventually be applied to commercial aviation, allowing travel transcontinental in fractions of the current time. Imagine flying from New York to Tokyo in less time than of 2 hours. The idea seems to be taken from a science fiction movie, but now it is closer of reality than ever. However, there are also concerns. The speed and power of these machines make them become potentially devastating weapons. The international community will have to work together to establish rules and regulations to ensure that this technology is used in a variety of ways, responsible and peaceful manner. So far, we have talked about the technical advances and possible applications of this technology, but what does the future look like with these fighters in action? Reconnaissance missions will become faster and more efficient. Rescue operations in remote areas can be carried out in minutes, and the ability to respond to emerging threats will be significantly improved. The Phoenix represents not only a breakthrough in technology, but also a shift in strategy military and how we conceive air power. The pilots of these hypersonic fighters will be trained to handle extreme speeds and maneuvers, and the supporting infrastructure. It will also need to evolve to keep these machines in optimal operation. In addition, international competition is sure to intensify. Other powers, such as Russia and China, they will not be left behind and are already working on their own hypersonic programs. It could trigger a new arms race, but it could also lead to international collaborations in the development of technologies that benefit the entire mankind. To better understand the strategic implications of the Phoenix hypersonic fighter, it is crucial to analyze some possible scenarios. For example, in the event of a conflict, this fighter could be deployed quickly to neutralize threats in record time, which would give states united a significant tactical advantage. In addition, its ability to evade air defenses makes it an invaluable asset in high-quality reconnaissance and strike missions precision. Let's imagine a hypothetical scenario, an emerging threat in a remote region of the world. With today's technology, it could take several hours to deploy aircraft and resources to neutralize the threat. With the Phoenix, however, this response could be almost instantaneous. Its speed and maneuverability would allow for rapid and efficient deployment, minimizing the time to reaction of the enemy and ensuring a decisive advantage. Another important aspect to consider is the impact on rescue operations. In situations natural disaster or humanitarian emergencies, the Phoenix could be used to transport critical supplies and rescue equipment to affected areas in a fraction of the time it would take with conventional aircraft. This could save countless lives and provide quick relief to communities in need. As we move into the future, we must also consider the potential applications commercial of this technology. Although we are far from seeing commercial airliners flying at Mach 10, advances in hypersonic technology could eventually lead to the creation of ultra-fast passenger aircraft. This would revolutionize the aviation industry, reducing drastically changing travel times and making the world more accessible than ever. Imagine a world where you can catch a flight from New York to London in less than an hour, or travel from Sydney to Paris in just over an hour and a half. The possibilities are endless, and the economic and social benefits of such rapid connectivity would be immense. The opportunities for business, tourism, and international cooperation would multiply exponentially. However, as with any significant technological advancement, there are also challenges and risks that must be managed. The regulation and control of air traffic at hypersonic speeds will require new approaches and technologies. In addition, security and protection against misuse of this technology will be crucial to avoid possible catastrophes. And so, we come to the end of our journey through the fascinating world of hypersonic fighter Phoenix. We have explored the incredible technological advancements that have made this achievement possible, the strategic and tactical implications, and exciting future possibilities for aviation commercial. Speed and innovation have always been driving forces in human history, and with the Phoenix, we're one step closer to a future where the limits of what's possible are expanded every day. Stay tuned to our channel for more news and analysis on the latest advances in technology and defense. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and activate the bell to not miss any of our future publications. Thank you for joining us, and see you at the next video.